Today we're looking at this webinar, Wireless Connectivity, Enabling the Next Industrial Revolution. It's from the Alpert research team. And it really dives into the convergence of wireless communication with Industry 4.0 and 5.0.
So Industry 4.0, often called the fourth industrial revolution, signifies a monumental shift in how industries operate. It builds on a long history, right? Industry 1.0 brought mechanization with steam. 2.0 gave us mass production via electrification. Then 3.0 ushered in computerization and basic automation through IT.
Industry 4.0 takes all that much further. It fuses the physical and digital systems, like advanced automation, pervasive connectivity, sophisticated data-driven decision-making. Its core focus really is squarely on maximizing efficiency and productivity, aiming for mass production, but with minimal waste. Basically creating smart factories where everything's integrated and talking to each other.
And that's exactly where Industry 5.0 comes in. It's often called the fifth industrial revolution, but maybe it's better understood as the next evolutionary stage. It complements Industry 4.0. It doesn't really replace it. The European Commission defines Industry 5.0 as a vision that moves, and this is key, beyond efficiency and productivity as the sole goals. Instead, it explicitly reinforces industry's broader contribution to society. It puts worker well-being, environmental sustainability, and supply chain resilience right at its core. It's trying to leverage new technologies to foster prosperity beyond just, jobs and economic growth, all while respecting the finite limits of our planet. When we compare their goals and drivers, the differences become pretty sharp. Industry 4.0, as you said, its primary focus is deep automation, digitalization, optimizing for sheer efficiency, getting things done faster, fewer resources. Industry 5.0, though, shifts the paradigm quite a bit. The emphasis moves to human-machine collaboration, embedding societal goals, prioritizing sustainability and resilience. And this also fundamentally changes the human role. In 4.0, humans are often operators, monitoring, maintaining automated systems. But in 5.0, the vision is for humans to become active partners with technology, leveraging machines to amplify their creativity, do more value-added tasks, tackle complex problems machines can't handle alone. Industry 4.0 aim for mass production with better efficiency. Industry 5.0 takes that further. It targets mass customized production, and with ambitious goals: zero waste, minimum cost, maximum accuracy. Its key principles are pretty well defined. First, human-centricity. Humans do the creative, innovative stuff. Robots and collaborative robots, cobots, handle the heavy lifting, the repetitive, the dangerous tasks. That changes work itself. Second, sustainability. That means preserving resources, adopting circular production models, reuse, recycle, and seriously reducing energy consumption. And third, resilience. Focusing on boosting industrial production capacity while at the same time making it less vulnerable to disruptions from outside shocks like pandemics or geopolitical events. The urgency driving this shift towards 5.0 is, palpable. It's multifaceted. We've got huge societal challenges that demand circular production, rethinking energy policies. The pandemic, for instance, starkly showed us the need for robust, resilient supply chains that can handle shocks and adapt fast. For businesses, embracing Industry 5.0 means things like tapping new markets through hyper-customization, attracting talent by improving worker well-being, and critically, meeting those ever stricter ESG, environmental, social, governance targets. The implications globally are huge. Just look at Industry 4.0. It's projected to drive big productivity gains. Industry 5.0 aims to build on that, making industrial systems not just smart and efficient, but also more responsible, adaptable, and ultimately more valuable to society as a whole.
Now that we understand the what of these industrial revolutions, let's explore the how. Specifically, how are wireless technologies not just supporting this?
Wireless is no longer just, convenient. It's becoming indispensable due to several core imperatives. First, just consider flexibility and rapid reconfiguration. Wireless allows manufacturing lines to be quickly adapted or entirely rearranged with minimal disruption. Second, the seamless integration of mobile equipment becomes truly possible. Wireless connectivity liberates them, greatly enhancing their reach, versatility, and their ability to collaborate. Third, it enables truly scalable sensor deployment. Wireless sensors can be easily added, moved, or reconfigured as production needs change without the prohibitive overhead of installing new wiring for every single device. And finally, it often leads to significant cost reduction. Now, there are certainly upfront costs with wireless infrastructure, but eliminating the need for extensive physical wiring cables, conduits, the labor for installation, maintenance can lead to substantial long-term savings. So to reiterate, wireless is no longer a luxury or some niche alternative. It is a foundational enabler for the data-centric, flexible, and adaptive paradigm of both Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. So, Industry 5.0 isn't just some far-off idea anymore. It's actually happening now, it's evolving, and wireless communication is right there at the heart of it, enabling it all. Organizations that really lean into wireless innovation, they're the ones who will unlock smarter production, more resilient supply chains, and ultimately create value that's sustainable and human-centric. As this whole industrial landscape keeps shifting towards being more autonomous, more intelligent, more adaptive, well, how quickly and effectively companies adopt and integrate these wireless technologies, that's really going to shape their competitiveness long term. If you're interested in digging deeper into this whole transformation, we absolutely recommend checking out the full analysis. It's titled Wireless Connectivity, Enabling the Next Industrial Revolution, prepared by the Alpert research team. You can find their presentation on the future of the wireless industrial revolution at the link provided in our show notes.